a fist!
Your deal.
Let's not fight about it.
Smart move.
Your way, right away, Burger King now.
Ice your Kool-Aid.
Will you look at this? I had an alien's baby.
Mom.
Girl, sometimes I think I had an alien's baby. Honey, run and get some soda.
Soda? I make Kool-Aid for my kids.
Kool-Aid!
Absolutely. You know, sugar-sweetened Kool-Aid has less sugar than Coke or Pepsi.
It does?
Yeah, like 25% less.
Oh, who can keep up?
Well,
What?
looks like the old hands just had another one.
Having kids means having Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid soft drinks.
This is WDS-UTV. The following is an activation of the emergency broadcast system for the New Orleans Parish. This is not a test. Please listen to these instructions and information. As of 12:15 a.m. on October 29, 1992, the New Orleans Police has received multiple 911 reports of citizens about black entities roaming all around the New Orleans area, specifically Jefferson Parish. These entities have been given the nickname Intruders, known for their deadly blood-eating behavior, white eyes, and white sharp razor teeth. Unfortunately, the telephone service is currently unavailable due to the multiple 911 calls about this incident, so refrain from calling 911 until the telephone service is back on again, to avoid telephone outage. All residents in New Orleans are advised to follow these instructions in the event of an intruder attack. 1. Hide, and don't wander the house. Stay in one room. 2. Wait for the intruder to leave the house. 3. If I hope you're now prepared in the event of an intruder incident. This concludes this activation of the emergency broadcast system. Please, stay safe.